to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am Fefarater Cole and I'm having this hot sauce. This old lady. You said to supposed to introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sarasota. If you see me for the very first time, this is not the last time you see me. Come.
So this back channel. So I'll be transferring out from this to this. So definitely watch how we transform Sister Sarah, like Sarasota. So I mean Sarasota. Sarasota, that's hot. So guys, definitely watch down to the end and definitely keep on watching. Tell us, what's your favorite part of my makeup routine? Like, what do you like in my makeup routine?
I think I love your bro. It stands out a lot, yeah. Your bro. And
so today we're going to snatch both.
Yeah, that's what's for me. Your bro is nice. And maybe the way you apply the makeup, like, it doesn't break. Maybe that's it.
That's nice.
Like it doesn't break. No matter how test you have, how even rough or acne you're having, your makeup always stays.
Stays, yeah.
That's what I like about it. So
thank you.
probably you might share your secrets, what you use, like.
Let me show you this video.
Why choose makeup instead of your fashion?
I actually love the both.
Which one is different?
I actually love the both, but makeup is a passion.
Okay.
Makeup is a passion. Then fashion is just a professional work.
Okay.
I learned to become a fashionista, but makeup I never learned it. But I just like did upgrading to just improve my skills on the talent I have.
Or is it because you came from a fashion house? I was like, okay, is it a necessity that everybody in the house must?
Yeah.
It's like growing up for you, like so. Dream machine was like learning how to cook. Like when your mom is like a caterer, you must know how to cook or stuff like that.
You said it all. My mom is a fashion designer, my sister is a fashion designer, and one of my brothers is a fashion designer before me. So it has just been a trend in the family.
Okay. That's so what are the plans for the future?
Okay, my plans for the future, there are a lot of plans. Getting a bigger studio, first of all. And other plans is to be very, very consistent on my YouTube channel and take my YouTube career into the next level. That's what the plans for now. And other plans will not be said, it will be announced later.
The shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? another shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive. Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now?
You dwarf. You're a short
Oh,
boy.
this thing is so
When
cute.
it comes to men, like you are short for man.
Viva.
Which fit are you?
Don't
When it comes to a man, you short.
It's okay.
You know the meaning of when man is tall, he's not like six.
Mr. I leave my studio.
Whiskey don't leave. Whiskey, you're a very cute boy. Whiskey is fine. I wish Whiskey was here, not behind the camera. Because he's there, but
I'll never show you on camera.
don't be rushing.
One of two I show.
Camera, because he's there, but
I'll never show you on camera.
don't be rushing.
One of two I show.
Don't be rushing. Whiskey is like the American woman. You have followers. Just come onto the camera.
Oh my God, let's get it. We see now
Oh
like
God, you just put Whiskey, come and stand behind me.
Stop. Stay there.
Make you feel.
Tune into the pure sounds of blues. Greatness. DJ Natune. Joe boy one day. I'm going to buffet. Do my get so come and love it. Body on cha. I thought I don't mind the pepe them.